So here I have a very simple hello world Golang program, and I would like to swap two parameters, word and hello. So in order to swap, first I need to select everything inside parenthesis block, like this. Then I split by pressing capital S and defining my split delimiter, comma space. Now you see there are two splits. One is primary, other is secondary. And now I can actually swap by pressing Alt double quote like this. You see? Let's complicate a little bit by adding a third parameter. Okay. Splitting. Now you see there are three splits and big is a primary split. So if I just rotate, I'm achieving not necessarily desired result. So in order to achieve a desired result, I need to switch primary split to hello split, like this. Single quote is switching primary selection. Alt single quote is reverse. So I just exclude this selection by pressing Alt space, and now I can safely rotate Let me define some func, sum, with three parameters, a, c, and b of type int. Okay. A plus b. Now let's say I'd like to swap c and b parameters. Let's see if I can achieve this by applying the way we learned already. Selecting everything inside parenthesis block, then splitting, comma space. Okay, it looks like I cannot swap C and B in this case because if I remove int type split, I lose my B parameter split, so I cannot swap C and B. One way I come up with is by having several selection and then combining them afterwards. So let me show. So first I'm going to define my first selection, comma space. So it is my first selection which I'm going to save into Mac register by pressing capital Z. So my first selection is saved. Now I can define my second selections. This time splitting just by space and removing int type. Oops. Okay. Now I will combine this current selection with my save it previous selection by pressing Alt Z. Here I can apply several different operations like union, intersect, and some others. Let me try I intersection. Okay. Now I'm going to remove A split, and looks like I can just swap. Okay.